everyone, the DC team here, Ariana and Elise, and we are checking out Zendog here in the Bloor West.
We're here with the owner, William.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you. So how long have you been in business?
We opened Church Street location in 2017. It's at 584 Church Street, and this location we opened in this summer in August of 2021. So that's super exciting. Yeah.
Awesome. So what kinds of things do you have in the store here?
So anything from toys, treats, whole line of pet foods, premium pet foods. We do online shopping as well as in-store, of course, now. Free deliveries, raw food, as well as a lot of services that we offer, such as grooming, doggy daycare in the new year that will start. Yeah, so there's pretty much a one-stop shop for everything dog and cat.
That's awesome. Yeah, we saw a few dogs in here when we just got here. We saw one going to get groomed, so that's pretty cool that it's a one-stop shop.
Where are you located exactly, just so people can come in and
Yeah, so we're right off of the South Kingsway, between just west of Jane. The address is 2479A Bloor St West, and you can visit us at www.zendogservices.com. We also have our online store at shop.zendogservices.com, and we'd love to see you guys.
See ya.
Thank you. Bye, guys.